Do you know the function of stairs? They take you up step by step, one by one, and gradually raise you up. Do you know what the role of knowledge in one's life is? It is similarly to the stairs. Spiritual knowledge takes you forward, gradually raise you up, gives your life a meaning, aim, and peace of mind. It takes you towards light of consciousness from darkness of unconsciousness. Knowledge is nothing without its fruits. To raise the tree of knowledge, it takes hard work, patience, consistent effort, and positive attitude with the selection of right path. Tree of knowledge will also require their virtue to enrich your life with fruits of knowledge. We need selfless, consistent effort, hard work, patience, and positivity in life to sum up the mind, body, and soul to focus on bright path of knowledge. Our ancestors did hard work, research to pave the path for attaining the goal of life. They devised the method of fasting and abstaining from the thoughts and activities which takes you away from your right path. Fasting gives you control on your body to its limits, makes you learn to manage your needs and still keep you calm and focused. Continuous practice of refraining from your desires and limiting your body to its minimum need help you to integrate your soul with ultimate aim of life with supreme powers who control the universe. I personally trust a spiritually healthy person has a clear purpose in life and is able to reflect on the meaning of events. They also have clearly defined ideas of right and wrong and able to act accordingly. Some people follow a specific religious practice while others may pursue a general sense of harmony and self-awareness. Now do I need to tell you what is the significance of fasting in your life? Whatever it is for 9 days as Navratra or it is for 30 days as Ramzan. Wish you happy fasting to everyone. Namaste.